Do you know that you can use the fingerprint sensor on Xiaomi smartphones for measuring your heart rate? Let me show you how to do that. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So to use the fingerprint sensor of your Xiaomi smartphone to measure your heart rate, first of all you have to go to the settings. After that, scroll down, go to the bottom, and here you will find an option called additional settings. Tap on that, then once again scroll down and you will find an option called heart rate under the special features. Tap on that. After that, tap on start button. A pop-up window will appear that will ask you to give the permission. Just tap on allow, and after that just put your finger or thumb on the fingerprint sensor. And as you can see, it is detecting my beats per minute, my heart rate right here in front of you. And here we go, this is the final result, 73 beats per minute on average. You can just tap on done and the session will be over. So this is how you can measure your heart rate using the fingerprint sensor on your Xiaomi smartphones. Just go to the settings, go to additional settings, go to heart rate, and then just give the permission, and after that just put your finger on the fingerprint sensor. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.